Hello guys, today we will see how to find image of a point with respect to a line mirror L. In the previous class we have seen how to find foot of the perpendicular and we got some condition. This also looks so similar. Let's see how to find this. Let's take some point Q which is some x2 comma y2. Let's say this is the image of point P or image of object P with respect to mirror which is line L. So as Q is the image of P, then if you draw a line PQ, this line PQ should be perpendicular to line L. This is the basic thing of image and object with respect to the line L, which you have learned in the earlier classes. And the distance between the object and the mirror L is equals to the distance between image and the mirror. So let's say this is the point M, then PM equals MQ. Okay, so PM equals MQ. What does this mean? M is midpoint of PQ. So what is M here? M is nothing but foot of the perpendicular from P to the line L. So M equals, let's say some h comma k, which is foot of the perpendicular, which equals x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So yes, M is foot of the perpendicular. We got some condition for a foot of the perpendicular. If you substitute h comma k in this equation, you will get equation for finding image of a point. So h minus x1 by a, let's say this line equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we get equals k minus y1 by b equals minus of ax1 by a square plus b square. So h is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2. So x1 plus which equals minus of x1 by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So x1 plus x2 by 2 minus x1 is nothing but take 2 to the numerator side. So you get x2 minus x1 by a equals y2 minus y1 by b. You get 2b and 2a here. So take 2 the multiply whole the equation with 2, which gives minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the condition for finding the image of a point P. See here x2 and y2 is the image points and x1 comma y1 is known point P. So x2 and y2 is image of x1 and y1. So this right hand part minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square is a constant because we know the line equation and the point P x1 comma y1. So this is a constant and x2 and y2 are variables. So if you solve these two equations, x2 minus x1 by a equals to this constant and y2 minus y1 by b equal to this constant, you get point x2 comma y2, which is the image of point P. Okay, see this equation and foot of the perpendicular equation looks so similar. Just you get a 2 factor here and remaining everything is same. H comma k, this is foot of the perpendicular. and this is image. See, if you forgot the formula, suppose, as we know the two conditions and the concept behind how we got this equation for the foot of the perpendicular, which is slope of PQ should be minus 1 by slope of line L, because the product of slopes is minus 1. So we got one condition. And the other condition is the midpoint of PQ, which is M, should lie on the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. If you solve these two, you will get the point M. Or else you can find the equation of PQ line, because we know the slope of PQ and we know a point x1 comma y1, which gives y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So we got a line equation of PQ, and we know the line equation of line L. If you find the intersection point of these two lines, we get point M. This is another way. Okay, let's do a problem. Find image of 2, 3 about a mirror line 2x plus y minus 1. Just substitute the point 2, 3 in the equation which we got here. X2 minus x1 by a equal to y2 minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into x1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square, which gives x minus 2 by 2, y minus 3 by 1. This is the x1 comma y1, x comma y is the image. So if you substitute, you get x equal to minus 14 by 5 and y equal to 3 by 5, which is the image. Okay, this is by just substituting in this equation. Or else, what if you forgot this formula? Then we can do this, because we have seen the conditions. Let's say this is a line L, 2x plus y minus 1, and this point 2, 3. So this is the foot of the perpendicular M, and this is image Q. Let's say Q is x comma y. We know the conditions, which is the slope of PQ is minus 1 by slope of this line. So what is slope of PQ here? Equals minus 1 by minus 2. Slope of line, as product of these two should give minus 1, which gives 1 by 2. Slope of PQ is 1 by 2, and we know a point. So we got the equation of line PQ, which is y minus 3 equals half into x minus 2, which gives y equals x by 2 minus 1 plus 3, case y equals x by 2 plus 2. This is equation of PQ. And we know equation of line L, which is 2x plus y minus 1. So the intersection of these two will give point M. So if you solve these two, which is point M, solve this to line equation L, y equals, I'm just taking 2x minus 1 to the RHS, which gives some simplified form, plus 1. This is equation 2. If we subtract these two, what we get? 5x by 2 plus 1 equals to 0. X equal to minus 2 by 5. Similarly, y equals to 3 by 5. See, if you substitute x minus 2 by 5 here, which gives minus 1 by 5, plus 2, which is 9 by 5, sorry. So we got the intersection of line PQ and line L, which is M. This is the foot of the perpendicular. So m is minus 2 by 5 comma 9 by 5. But we know m is the midpoint of object P and image Q, which is, let's say this m is minus 2 by 5 comma 9 by 5. So m is nothing but x plus point P is Q 2 by 2 comma y plus 3 by 2, because m is the midpoint of line P and Q, midpoint of P and Q, which is x plus 2 by 2 comma y plus 3 by 2. If we equate this, we get x comma y, which is image Q. We get x plus 2 by 2 equals minus 2 by 5, which gives x equals minus 4 by 5 minus 2, which is minus 14 by 5. Similarly, y equals y plus 3 by 2 equals 9 by 5, which gives y equals 18 by 5 minus 3, which is 3 by 5. So we got image Q, which is some x comma y equals minus 14 by 5 comma 3 comma 5. See, by just substituting in that equation, we got the same. This is the real procedure. We also got this equation, which is the foot of the perpendicular equation, from by solving in this way. So if you forgot this formula, just you should not worry. Just solve by our original roots, which is multiplying slope of PQ and with the slope of this line and equating it to minus 1. That is the first equation, and second equation is the point M satisfies this line equation. You got the same result, image Q. Thank you.